To another video. Today we are solving question 1394. Find lucky integer in an array in leetCode. So let's go ahead and learn and code together. In this question, we are given an integer array called array, and we are tasked with finding a lucky integer. A lucky integer is defined as an integer that matches, or that's frequency matches its value. So let's go ahead and get into the code. First off, we are going to initialize a hash map called frequencies. We'll say frequencies equals empty hash map. And then we will also initialize a value called largest, which is going to be equal to -1. And we will get into that later. So let's go ahead and first iterate through our array. So let's say for I in the range of the length of array. And simply here, we're going to see, is this index within frequencies? If so, we're going to update the value by 1. And if not, we're going to initialize it in the hash map and set its value to 1. So let's go ahead and do that. So if array I in frequencies, we'll say frequencies array I plus equals 1, and then else frequencies array I equals 1. And then here we need to go ahead and iterate through our hash map that we just set up. So we'll say for j in frequencies. And so j is going to be equal to this value here. And then if we do frequencies j, it'll be equal to this value here. So what we need to do is we need to return the largest frequency within our hash map. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and say if j equals frequencies j, then we know that the frequencies and the value match up, and we can just reassign our largest value to the max between j and the current largest value. So we'll say max largest, comma, j. And then at the end, we can simply return our largest value. And this is where our largest initialization comes in. If we never reach this case, we're just going to return -1. So let's go ahead and run this, make sure it works for all the cases. Works there. Let's make sure it works for all these. Awesome. And we get a great runtime. So if you guys learned anything, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out a ton. Other than that, thank you for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.